What if I told you the next big AI revolution is not about massive tools that do everything, but tiny tools that do just one thing perfectly, not 5 things, not 10 things, one, and that single thing could save you hours every week. Most people are completely missing this shift, and by the time they notice it, the smartest workers will already be miles ahead. Today, we're talking about the rise of micro AI tools, small, focused AI solutions built for one workflow, one job, one problem, and why this might be the most important productivity trend you haven't paid attention to yet. If you care about working smarter instead of harder, this is your space. Subscribe to Smart Work Hub right now. We break down powerful ideas into simple, practical insights you can actually use. Hit subscribe early, because what's coming next might change how you think about tools, work, and even your career. Let me take you back a few years. When AI tools first became popular, everyone wanted one big solution. One app to write emails, make presentations, analyze data, manage tasks, plan meetings, and maybe even think for you. Sounds great, right? But here's the problem. When a tool tries to do everything, it often does nothing really well. People spent more time learning the tool than actually doing the work. Productivity didn't increase. Frustration did. Now something interesting is happening. Quietly, almost under the radar. Instead of giant AI platforms, we're seeing the rise of micro AI tools. These tools are laser-focused. One tool writes better subject lines. One tool summarizes meeting notes. One tool cleans data. One tool turns voice notes into action items. That's it. No extra features, no complexity. Just one clear job. And this is why they're winning. Here's a simple example. Imagine you're a sales professional. You don't need an AI that does everything. You need an AI that reads your CRM notes and tells you exactly who to follow up with today and what to say. A micro AI tool does that. Nothing more, nothing less. And because it's focused, it's fast, accurate, and easy to trust. At Smart Work Hub, we talk a lot about reducing friction. Micro AI tools remove friction by fitting directly into how you already work. They don't ask you to change your workflow, they adapt to it. That's a huge deal. Think about your daily routine. You check emails, attend meetings, update documents, send messages, review tasks. Now imagine a tiny AI assistant sitting inside each step, quietly handling the boring parts. Not interrupting, not overwhelming, just helping. That's the real power here. Let's talk retention for a second, because this is where it gets interesting. People stick with micro AI tools longer. Why? Because the value is immediate. You don't need tutorials, you don't need onboarding calls. You use it once, and it clicks. Oh, this saved me 10 minutes. Multiply that by 5 times a day, 5 days a week, 50 weeks a year. That's not small anymore. And here's a thought that should make you pause. Companies are starting to hire based on tool fluency, not just skills. Knowing which micro AI tool to use, when to use it, and how to stack them together is becoming a competitive advantage. The worker who finishes faster isn't lazy. They're optimized. Another reason micro AI tools are rising. Trust. People are more comfortable giving limited access to a small tool than handing over everything to one massive system. A tool that only touches your calendar feels safer than one that reads your entire digital life. That matters, especially for professionals in the US, Europe, and other privacy-aware regions. Let me tell you a quick story. A freelance designer was struggling with client feedback. Long email threads, unclear comments, constant revisions. Then he started using a tiny AI tool that only does one thing. It summarizes client feedback into clear action points. No design features, no messaging, just clarity. His revision time dropped by almost half. Same skill, same clients. Better system. That's the pattern you'll see again and again. Micro AI tools also evolve faster. Because they're small, updates are quicker. Improvements are sharper. They respond to real user needs, not big corporate roadmaps. And that means the tools you use today will be noticeably better just a few months from now. Here's something most people don't realize yet. The future of work is not one AI tool. It's a personal stack of micro AI tools, customized for your role. A marketer's stack will look different from a developer's. A manager's stack will look different from a student's, and that stack will quietly do 30 to 40% of the mental work for you. Pause for a second and think, what is the one task you repeat every single day that drains your energy? That's where a micro AI tool will exist soon, if it doesn't already. If this is hitting close to home, drop a comment and tell me which task you'd love to automate. Emails, meetings, reports, planning. I read every comment, and your input shapes future videos on Smart Work Hub. Now here's the curiosity part. This trend is also changing how software is built. Instead of selling big subscriptions, creators are building small, affordable tools that solve one painful problem really well. That means more innovation, more choice, and less lock-in. Power shifts back to the user. And we're still early, very early. Most people are still chasing all-in-one solutions, while the real advantage is being built quietly in small, focused tools. The people who understand this now will move faster, work calmer, and stay ahead. So here's your takeaway. Don't look for the biggest AI tool. Look for the most useful one. Start small. Stack smart. Let AI handle the narrow tasks so you can focus on thinking, creating, and deciding. If this video helped you see AI differently, share it with someone who's always busy but never feels productive. Hit like if this sparked a new idea. Subscribe to Smart Work Hub for more clear, practical insights on working smarter in the age of AI, and leave a comment below. What micro AI tool do you wish existed right now? This is Smart Work Hub. Less noise, more focus. Smarter work. See you in the next video.